Hello student, good morning. Myself Sri K. D. Borse sir, biology subject teacher. In previous lecture, we detail discuss kingdom Animalia contain animal classification, different phylas of the animals. You know, total 11 phylas of the animals include in kingdom Animalia. We learn in previous lecture Phylum Annelida, Phylum Arthropoda. Today we are going to learn some more phylums including Phylum Animalia, Phylum Mollusca, Phylum Echinodermata and Phylum Hemichordata. So let us start today's first concept, animal classification. You know, animal classification consists of different phylas of the animals. Total 11 phylas including animal classification: Phylum Porifera, Phylum Cnidaria, Phylum Ctenophora, Phylum Platyhelminths, Phylum Aschelminths, Phylum Annelida, Phylum Arthropoda, Phylum Mollusca, Phylum Echinodermata, Phylum Hemichordata and Phylum Chordata. Up to this means in previous lecture we learned total 7 phylums: Porifera, Cnidaria, Ctenophora, Platyhelminths, Aschelminths, Annelida and Arthropoda. Today we learn Mollusca, Echinodermata and Hemichordata phylums. So let us start today's first phylum, Phylum Mollusca. Phylum Mollis means soft. In this animal group is soft bodied animal group. Example, Phyla, seen here diagrammatic representation. You know, shank in Marathi, inside it a soft bodied animal. Second example, octopus, seen here. This is the octopus. And sepia, here noted Phyla, octopus, sepia. Also some more examples here noted: Dentalium, chiton, octopus, unio, sepia, pearl oyster, land snail. So all these animals are including Mollusca phylum. Each and every one is soft bodied animal. Phyla, octopus and sepia diagrams noted in our textbook also. Now we detail discuss different characteristics of molluscan animals. This is the second largest phylum of Animalia. You know, Arthropoda is a longest or largest phylum of animal kingdom Animalia. So Mollusca is second largest phylum of Animalia. And which one is minor phyla of Animalia? Yes, Ctenophora is minor phyla of Animalia, because in this group only few organisms are included. Always remember, Mollusca is second largest phylum of Animalia. They are aquatic, free living or sedentary, means attached to substratum, or seen in marshy places Few terrestrial is also means on the land. These are the soft bodied animals. You know, soft bodied animal group show tube within the tube body plane, means alimentary canal or digestive tube is present in one of the tubes. So tube within the tube body plane is seen in molluscan animals. These are bilaterally symmetrical. Body is divided into two equal parts when a median line. Few are asymmetrical. Few are asymmetrical molluscal animals because due to torsion or twisting body, molluscan animals is asymmetrical. Due to torsion or twisting, molluscan animals, few animals are asymmetrical. Most of them are bilaterally symmetrical. Now, point number 5. Body is divided into three parts: head, foot, and viscera. Show me with the help of diagram head, foot, and visceral mass. Seen here, land snail molluscan animal. This part is head. This one is foot for locomotion purpose, and other part is enclosed in this shell, so called as visceral mass. Means head, foot, and visceral mass are the part of the molluscan animals. Visceral mass is enclosed in thick muscular fold of the body wall. Thick muscular fold of the body wall called as mantle, and such mantle secrete a hard calcareous shell. This one is shell, so mantle secrete hard calcareous shell. Digestive system is well developed, complete with anterior mouth and posterior anus. Buccal cavity has a rasping organ. Buccal cavity has a rasping organ called as radula. Show me with the help of what is radula. Here seen, this one is buccal cavity. Inside the buccal cavity seen a radula organ of the mollusca, and this radula is a rasping organ of the mollusca. Most of time this question is noted. Which one is rasping organ of mollusca? Radula. What is the radula of mollusca? Rasping organs. Now 10 number point. Aquatic forms of the molluscan animal show number of feather like gills called as ctenidia. Aquatic form of molluscan animal show number of feather like gills, ctenidia for aquatic respiration. Also, terrestrial form may show presence of lungs. Means molluscan animal, if it is terrestrial form, on the land present molluscan animal present lungs for respiration. If molluscan animal is aquatic form, show number of feather like gills called as ctenidia. With the help of ctenidia, aquatic respiration process takes place. So ctenidia is aquatic respiration and lungs is terrestrial respiration. Now point number 12, circulatory system is open type. Except sepia possesses closed type circulatory system. You know, sepia is one of the molluscan animal. Except sepia possesses means present closed type of circulatory system. Other than sepia, all animals show circulatory system is open type. Always remember. Now 13 number, blood contain copper containing blue respiratory pigment called as hemocyanin. You know, our respiratory pigment known as hemoglobin. Our respiratory pigment is red color, but in molluscan respiratory pigment is blue colored, copper containing, called as hemocyanin. Always remember, hemocyanin is respiratory pigment, copper containing, blue colored. Now excretion means removal of nitrogenous waste occurs by kidneys, and molluscan kidney called as organs of Bojanus. Organs of Bojanus are called as molluscan kidney. Now point number 15. Nervous system is formed by three pair of ganglia. Nervous system is formed by three pair of ganglia. Sense organs such as eyes for vision purpose, tentacles for tactile sensation, and osphragdia for testing purity of water. Our sense organ is total 5. In molluscan, sense organs are 3 here noted: eyes, tentacle, osphragdia. Function of eye: vision, tentacle, tactile sensation, osphragdia, testing of purity of water. Which one is testing of purity of water of molluscan sense organ? Osphragdia. Always remember. Now sexes are separated, means unisexual organisms, male and female organisms are separated. Animals are mostly oviparous, means egg laying animals. Animals are mostly oviparous. You know, in opposite word of oviparous, viviparous, means those organisms directly birth their young ones called as viviparous. Those organisms lay egg called as oviparous. So molluscan animals mostly oviparous. Development is direct or indirect, means adult is developed through larval stage, indirect development. Adult is developed direct, so direct development. Economic importance of molluscan animals means total we learn 19 characteristic features of mollusca. Hope that you understood everything. What is economical importance of molluscan animals? Number 1, pearl oyster gives precious pearls. Pearl oyster, you know, pearl oyster shellfish gives precious pearl. You know here diagrammatic representation. So this is the pearl oyster and this one is pearl. Precious pearl means costly form. So pearl oyster gives precious pearl is one of the most economic importance of molluscan animal. Many mollusks are edibles. Most of people, some molluscan animals are eating, means many mollusks are edible. Shell of mollusk, you know, shell is covering of mantle because mantle secretes shell part. So shell of mollusk are rich source of calcium. Here noted all these 3 points are economic importance of molluscan animals. Up to this we detail discuss phylum Mollusca. Now Phylum Echinodermata. Echinus means spines and derma means skin, means spiny skin animal group, Echinodermata. Example, Asterias, sea star, Cucumaria, sea cucumber, Antedon, sea lily, Echinus, sea urchin, and Ophiothrix, beetle star. Here seen diagrammatic representation, sea star. Second example here, sea cucumber and sea lily. Sea cucumber means Cucumaria and sea lily means Antedon. So sea star, sea cucumber and sea lily are diagrammatic representation noted in our textbook. We learn different characteristics of Echinodermata animals. First one, they are exclusively marine. Exclusively marine means फक्त ते समुद्राच्या पाण्यामध्ये सापडतील. Solitary, live alone. Sedentary means attached to substratum, or some are free livings, and gregarious, living in groups. Some are gregarious, living in groups. Benthic, living in bottom, sea bottom, living echinoderms animal. Benthic, living in groups, gregarious, free living, sedentary, solitary. All these are exclusively marine animal. Second, these are radially symmetrical, means Echinodermata animals are radially symmetrical with pentamerous symmetry. Starfish, 5 arms are present, means pentamerous symmetry seen in the Echinodermata animals. Body may spherical, elongated and star shape. Body shape may be spherical, elongated or star shape. Endoskeleton is made up of calcareous ossicles. So this calcareous ossicles is spiny skin. Spines are present on the body, hence the name is Echinodermata. Spines are present on the body, hence this phylum is known as Echinodermata. Spiny skin animal group. So spines present on the body, therefore called as Echinodermata. Point number 6, seen here spines. So these are the spines present on the body surface of Echinodermata animal. Point number 6, the body is without definite body division. Body is without definite body division, seen only two sides, oral side and aboral side. Seen diagrammatic representation, this side is oral side and below side is aboral side. Body is not definitely body division, only two sides are seen, oral and aboral. So this is the oral side and below side is aboral side. Phylum Echinodermata, a peculiar character is presence of water vascular system. Phylum Echinodermata, peculiar character is presence of water vascular system. Presence of water vascular system in which water enter through madreporite. Water enter in the body through madreporite in the water vascular system, seen here. This part is madreporite, and through madreporite water enter in the water vascular system. Present water vascular system is one of the peculiar characteristics of Echinodermata. Water vascular system is used in locomotion, food capturing and respiration. Means three purpose seen in water vascular system in the Echinodermata animals: locomotion, food capturing and respiration. Seen here diagrammatic representation. Water vascular system perform three functions: locomotion, food capturing and respiration. So this is one of the most important peculiar characteristic feature of Echinodermata, presence of water vascular system. Now digestive system is complete. Digestive system is complete means present mouth and anus. Mouth is ventrally present oral surface, while anus is aboral surface. In two surfaces or site, oral and aboral. So mouth is present ventrally oral surface and anus is present aboral surface. Respiration is performed by peristomial gills, also papillae and respiratory trees. What are the respiratory organs present in Echinodermata? Peristomial gills, papillae and respiratory tree. Circulatory system and excretory systems are absent in Echinodermata. Character number 14, nervous system is simple with nerve ring around mouth and radial nerves. 15 number, sexes are separated, some are bisexual means hermaphrodite. Fertilization external outside the body. Development is indirect through larval stage, adult is developed. So development is indirect. They show high power of regeneration. You know, regeneration means redevelop the lost part of the body. For example, if any one arm is cut out, C star, so such cut arm is regenerate because high power of regeneration seen in the body of Echinodermata animals. So lost part is regenerate. Always remember high power of regeneration seen in Echinodermata animals. Up to this we detail discuss total 18 different points of Echinodermata. Now we learn phylum Hemichordata, today's last phylum. You know, Hemichordata means, hemi means half and chordata means rod. Seen half rod, half character chordata, some character non-chordata. So Hemichordata phylum. Example, Balanoglossus. Seen here, Balanoglossus animal, diagrammatic representation. Balanoglossus animal. Second example, Sarcoglossus. So senior Sarcoglossus animal. These two animal diagram is noted in our textbook. So Balanoglossus and Sarcoglossus are the example of Hemichordata. We detail discuss different characteristics of hemichordata animals. Number one, first, this phylum is connecting link between non-chordata and chordata. Why hemichordata phylum is connecting link between non-chordata and chordata? Because in this phylum show some characters are non-chordata and some characters are chordata, so called as connecting link between non-chordata and chordata. Earlier, this phylum was considered as subphylum of chordata. Earlier, this phylum was considered as subphylum of chordata because buccal diverticulum was considered as notochord. Buccal diverticulum is one of the part of the hemichordata, so this part was considered, some scientists, notochord, means hemichordata is subphylum of chordata. See here diagrammatic representation. This part is buccal diverticulum. You know, this one is buccal diverticulum, and this buccal diverticulum is considered as notochord. So earlier this phylum is considered as subphylum of chordata, but now it is placed as separate phylum of non-chordata known as hemichordata. This phylum contain animals are exclusively marine. फक्त समुद्राच्या पाण्यात असलेले हे animals usually living at the bottom of the sea in burrow. Bottom of the sea in burrow they live. Mostly these are free livings, but animals like Rhabdopleura, are sedentary. Seen here diagrammatic representation. Rhabdopleura animal is sedentary, include in hemichordata. Most of time this question is noted, which one is sedentary animal of hemichordata? Rhabdopleura is sedentary animal. Most of them are free living. Body is divided into three parts. Also body is soft vermiform, unsegmented, divided into three parts: proboscis, collar and trunk. Means body divisions seen in hemichordata: proboscis, collar and trunk parts seen diagrammatic representation. This part is proboscis, upper part. Below the proboscis, this one is collar, and below the collar the whole part called as trunk. Inside the trunk, hepatic region, abdominal region, tail region is seen. So hemichordata body divided into proboscis, collar and trunk, here clearly seen in balanoglossus animal. Now buccal cavity give rise to rod like buccal diverticulum. Buccal cavity give rise to rod like buccal diverticulum, which is considered as notochord by some scientists. You know, this one is buccal cavity contain buccal diverticulum part, and this part is considered as notochord, some scientists. So such notochord present animal is actual chordate animal, means notocard like organ present in hemichordata animals. So hemichordata is chordata as well as non-chordata character seen, hence the phylum name called as Hemichordata, half character seen chordata, half character seen non-chordata. Up to this, today's lecture completed here. Review today's topics. We learn animal classification. Different phyla of the animal contain Phylum Mollusca. In Phylum Mollusca, economic importance of molluscan animals, Phylum Echinodermata and Phylum Hemichordata. On the basis of today's lecture, some exercise question noted here. MCQ questions. Number 1, first, which of the following sedentary hemichordate, Balanoglossus, Rhabdopleura, Sarcoglossus, Echinodermata? Yes, the correct answer is Rhabdopleura is a sedentary hemichordata. Water vascular system is unique character of Mollusca, Hemichordata, Echinodermata, Arthropoda. Yes, the correct answer is Echinodermata. Water vascular system is unique character. Notocard is absent in the group Chordata, Hemichordata, Urochordata, Cephalochordata. Yes, the correct answer Hemichordata. Notocard is absent. What is the name of covering in which the visceral mass of molluscan is enclosed? Mantle, capsule, cuticle, corpuscle. Yes, the correct answer is mantle, enclosed visceral mass. Now, short answer question. Which part of the body of Hemichordata is considered as notocard? Yes, buccal diverticulum is considered as notocard. Some scientists. Which phylum is connecting link between chordata and non-chordata? Yes, Hemichordata is connecting link between chordata and non-chordata. Molluscan blood contain a copper containing blue respiratory pigment known as, yes, hemocyanin is copper containing blue respiratory pigment of molluscan blood. Name the sense organs of the mollusca used testing purity of water. Yes, Ospradea is one of the sense organ of mollusca used testing purity of water. Which one is second largest phylum of Animalia? Yes, mollusca is second largest phylum of. What are the body parts of Hemichordata? Yes, Hemichordata body parts consist of 3 parts: proboscis, collar and trunk. Molluscan buccal cavity has a rasping organ called as, yes, radula is rasping organ of molluscan buccal cavity. Now, match column A with column B. In column A, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata. Column B, water vascular system, radula, buccal diverticulum. First, Mollusca. Yes, Mollusca match with radula, means radula is one of the rasping organ of mollusca, so one match with B. Echinodermata, present water vascular system, means two match with A. Hemichordata, yes, buccal diverticulum present in Hemichordata, so three match with C. Now identify A, B, C animals and gives its phylum. Number 1, A animal noted here. Yes, this animal known as Sarcoglossus, Phylum Hemichordata. Here this B animal known as octopus, Phylum Mollusca. Here C, this animal Cucumaria, sea cucumber, Phylum Echinodermata. Up to this, today's lecture completed. Hope that you understood everything. If you like the video, then you can subscribe my YouTube bioinfo channel, tap the bell icon and like the video. If any doubt about today's lecture, mention in comment box. Thank you.